I shall give you 7 key lessons. What I have learned about sound and frequency. The first lesson: everything begins from listening. We have to learn to listen as human society. As long as we are numb to feedback coming from our surroundings, we are blindfolded. We are not able to act from our inner center, but we are reacting to the outer world. But if I or you will learn to listen properly, we can act from our intuition and make right choices always for the common good, for the greater good, for the good